सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 1, page number 22, shloka number 47. सोऽयमित्यादिवाक्येषु विरोधात्तदिदं तयोः त्यागेन भागयोरेकम् आश्रयो लक्ष्यते यथा. There is only one truth in this entire universe. Upon the truth alone, all names and forms are appearing. This is the fact at all times. The only fact that is Brahman, the Supreme Brahman, consciousness existent principle, that is my real nature. I, the individual, am, is that Supreme Brahman. But because of my association with the body-mind complex, even though I happen to be the consciousness existent principle, when I associate with the superior attributes, I am alone called as Ishvara. When I, the Supreme Brahman, associate with the inferior attributes called Avidya, is known as Jivaha. But this is very, very difficult to swallow. If any teacher talks about this fact, it looks like a joke. Fact appears like a joke. What is joke is fact for ignorant people. That's why there are rare teachers who talk about this Brahman, because 99.99% of people that Brahman nature is, it's like a joke. What is joke? Joke is that which is not real. They take the fact as joke. That Jnanis are one who take the joke as joke. Joke, the entire Nama-Rupa Prapancha is unreal. Without which Brahman this cannot exist at all. Therefore, Brahman is none other than consciousness existent principle upon which all Nama Rupas are superimposed. Just as the pot name is superimposed upon the clay. Pot form is superimposed upon the clay. If you say there is a pot, it is a joke. If you say there is a pot, it is a joke. What is fact? There is a clay. When there is a clay, you are saying that is clay is not a big joke. When there is a clay, just clay, saying it is a clay, it is not, you won't require big intelligence for that. When there is a clay, saying this is a clay, அதுக்கு என்ன படிக்கணும்? ஒன்றும் படிக்க வேண்டாம். But holding the pot and you have to say there is only clay, there is no pot, you require some stuff in the intellect. புரியலையோ? The mud, just clay, seeing it is a clay, it is very simple. Every one of us can say. But holding the pot in one's hand, seeing the pot form, uttering the pot name, seeing the pot form, I have to say what? Clay. There is only clay. There is no pot at all, at any time. For that you require a thinking mind. All Panchadasi students are thinking people, Vidyaranya considers, and he goes ahead. That is, he says, this Maya Prakriti, which is matter principle, it is having 3 levels, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Brahman, the consciousness existent principle, which is Satyam, Nityam, ever eternal, pure, non-changing, attributeless, that consciousness principle which is not visible for eyes. Immediately I go for example. When I say Brahman, how we can comprehend that Brahman? How can we say that Brahman exists? How can you say electricity exists? How can you say electricity exists? Have you seen? Have you touched the electricity? Then how you are able to say electricity is there? Tell me. I am asking, have you seen electricity? No. Have you touched the electricity? No. But then how can you say electricity is there? Yes, Swami, it is there. Like that only. Even though you have not seen, even though you have not touched, it is there because you understand that through certain gadgets, electrical gadgets. While seeing electrical gadgets also, are you seeing the electricity? When you are seeing the electrical gadgets, in kitchen, how many electrical gadgets you are using? My God, எல்லா இடத்துல ஒரு plug point தான். பாத்ரூம்ல plug points. Hair dryer. அதுக்கு ஒரு plug point. How many things you are using? I am asking you, at any single point of time have you seen electricity? In spite of using all these electrical gadgets, one is a fact because of which all these electrical gadgets are functioning. You are very, very clear. Even though you are not seeing. You are very clear, you have a perfect knowledge. In spite of that, my visibility, my perception is not there towards that principle, because of which all gadgets are functioning from morning onwards till night. How many you are using? Even to charge your cell phone, TV, computer, what not, everything. There is some knowledge inside. There is electricity, there is electricity, there is electricity. By seeing all of them, you come to know the electricity. Like that, by seeing every being in the world, every object in the world is a gadget. Brahman is like electricity. Okay. Brahman is like electricity. Every human being, every animal, every species, every object, animate, inanimate, moving, non-moving, everything is like a gadget, behind which Brahman principle is available. But you cannot see it with your eyes. That what you are seeing is Maya, Avidya. If you go to the temple, you see the Lord Krishna, Guruvayurappa, Kapaleshwar, what? Sattva, Pradhana, Maya, Sahitam, Brahma. Sattva, Pradhana, Maya, Sahitam, Brahma, Kapaleshwarar. Ishvara, Bhagavan, God. He is superior, Sarvajnaha, Sarvashaktiman, Sarvavyapi, because with his superior attributes, Jagat-karta, Jagat-karanam, Srishti-sthiti-laya karanam. All these are characteristics of Ishvara with superior attributes. Because Shuddha Sattvam, Jnana Swarupam, full of knowledge. Any temple, anywhere you worship the God, God is seen as Brahman plus Sattva Pradhana Maya Ishvaraha. Superior attributes. Now you come to the human beings, other beings, Brahman plus Avidya Rajapradhanam Prakritihi Avidya. Sample, model, example, Namada. Jivas. We the Jivas are Alpagnahas, Alpicient. We are not omniscients, we are not omnipotent, we are not all pervasive, we are all pervasive. Jivaha. Who is this Jiva? Same Brahman. Brahman with what? Rajapradhana Prakritihi Avidya. Rajapradhana Prakritihi Avidya. Their Jnanam Ishwaranke Sattva Pradhana. நமக்கு என்னென்ன கிரியா பிரதானம், கர்ம பிரதானம். தட்ஸ் வே சும்மா இருக்க மாட்டோம் ஒரு நிமிஷம் கூட. அவ்வளோதான். பைத்தியமே பிடிச்சிடும்னு சொல்லுவான். இஃப் யூ சிட் குவைட்லி யூ வில் பிகம் மேட். ஏன் ரஜப்பிரதான பிரகிருதி. ஈவன் பாடி சிட் குவைட்லி சம்டைம் மைண்ட் கோயிங் ஆன் அண்ட் ஆன் thinking. Thinking is also a kriya, a karma. So we never keep quiet. That itself shows we are all Rajapradhana Prakriti Yukta Brahma Swarupam. But I have forgotten I am Brahman. Not only that, that Ishvara also Brahman we have forgotten. And we look at him, our Swami, Nana Asami. Our Swami, Bhagavan, I am the Dasaha, servant. Why? He is with Sattva Pradhana, Maya, Sahitam, Brahma. He is omniscient. Therefore, he is Swami, Savior, Protector. I am a Dasa, servant to him. I have to be protected by him. I have to be saved by him. I am insecure. He has to give security to me. Therefore, I keep him for my sake in puja room and close the door. You be there, I'll go and come back again. And I'll ask you, then you have to come and save me. Again I do lot of konjam paalu konjam teerdam ella vechittu saaptindiru na vandre thirupena. Suppose this God is not listening in my puja room, I go to the big puja room, devalayam, temple. And பூஜாரி கிட்ட சொல்லி சக்கரைக்கு பொங்கல் பண்ணுங்க, அது பண்ணுங்க பகவானுக்குன்னு சொல்லி he had to make him to please the Bhagavan. Oh Bhagavan, fulfill my desires ன்னு அவன் கிட்ட கேட்கணும். So Ishvara and Jiva, I am comfortably, somehow I have arranged this program. This is called human arrangement. I am a Dasa, Bhagavan Ishvara. This bhavana is there. Tritayim api tam muktva. Whoever renounced this theory, what three? Tamasim is there. Another third one, Prakriti. What is that Prakriti? That is also a part of Ishvara only. Because Ishvara used that as a upadana karanam. Tamasa Prakriti used as a upadana karanam, material cause to create the bhogya prapancha. So this entire bhogya prapancha, Prakriti is matter, tamasa pradhanam, inert matter, tamasa pradhanam. That is why when you are in sleep, deep sleep, what is pradhanam? Sattva pradhanam, raja pradhanam, tamah pradhanam. Pakka tamah pradhanam. That is why you become inert, your body, mind become inert. Puriyirada? Body is not active. Rajoguna sleeping, Sattva-guna already sleeping while waking itself. கொஞ்சம் சத்வகுணம் இருந்ததையோட ஞானம் வேலையே பண்ணுறதில்லை, தூக்கத்தில் என்ன வேலை பண்ணுற போகிறது. ஸோ அதனால் ஞானம் சத்துவம் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் while waking ரஜ பிரதானம். In the class you are of course to be Sattva Pradhanam. புரியுறதா? காலு கை ஆடாமல் அசையாமல் அப்படி யூ ஹாவ் டு பி ஞான பிரதானம் சத்துவ பிரதானம். ஆனால் கொஞ்சம் புரியும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் 12 o'clock யூ கேன் பிகம் ரஜ பிரதானம். ஓகே. வைல் இன் நைட் ஸ்லீப் டைம் யூ ஆர் தம பிரதானம். ஜெனரலி வி ஆர் ஆல் ரஜ பிரதானம். புரியுறதா? Bhagavan is sattva pradhanam. While doing creation, he used the tamas to create the universe. So, Tritayim, in the 46th shloka, Tritayim api tam muktva. This sattva, rajas, tamas. Sattva, tamas at Ishvara level. Rajas at Jiva level. Tritayim muktva. Paraspara virodhinim. Paraspara virodhinim means they are mutually contradictory. Where there is a lot of jnanam, sattva guna, there is no rajo guna. Where there is rajo guna, there is no sattva guna. Predominantly, they become subsided. Their characteristics, their nature, their features, all are mutually different. Mutually different. That is why the person who is always talking, Vag Indriyam, Karma Indriyam, who is very, very active, for whom it is very active, something is not active, you know. What is that? Buddhi is not active and ardham. Enna buddhi jnana pradhanam. Jnana pradhanam anna sattva pradhanam. Talking is karma indriya pradhanam. Karma indriya pradhanam raja pradhanam. Therefore, the person who is a talkative will never get ஞானம். இது ஒரு சும்மா அசைடு பாயிண்ட் சொல்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. புரியுறதா? சும்மா இருந்து சுகம் பெரு. ஏன்னா பேசிகிட்டே இருந்தான்னா கர்ம இந்திரியம் ஆக்டிவ்னா ரஜோகுண பிரதானம். ஒன்ஸ் ரஜோகுண இஸ் ப்ரிடாமினன்ட், வாட் இஸ் சப்சர்வியன்ட்? சத்வா இஸ் சப்சர்வியன்ட். பாவம் கீழே போயிடும். ஏன்னா ஞானமே வராது. That is why we never allow the student to talk in the class. Puriyarda? We should not talk. We are not supposed to talk. If you ask questions, if you talk, karma indriyam will be active. Jnana indriyam becomes subservient. You can ask questions separately. This is just a side point. Therefore, having given up this Ishvara level to Sattva and Tamas caused that Ishvaratvam you have to drop. Yet Jiva level Rajogunam Mulama irikara Avidya caused ignorance caused body mind complex, Abhimana, everything you have to drop. Akhandam Satchidanandam Mahavakyena Lakshate. So Bhagatyaga, you have to renounce one bhaga. What bhaga you want to renounce? Brahman plus Maya, Ishvara. Brahman plus Avidya, Jiva. If this Ishvara, Jiva, Jivatma eva Paramatma, Paramatma eva Jivatma, Mahavakyam. Paramatma alone is Jivatma, Jivatma alone is Paramatma. I the Jivatma, that Ishvara, I am one and the same. எப்படி ஆக முடியும்? One and the same, identical, none, we say it is impossible. Mahavakyam says it is impossible with attributes. If you take with Maya, Avidya, it is impossible. Both are different. Vyavaharically, from relative standpoint, they are different. But you bhagam, அந்த பாகத்தை தியாகம் பண்ணணும். எந்த பாகம்? Maya, Avidyani, அங்கே Maya you have to discard, இங்கே Avidya you have to discard. Avidya you have to discard from whom? From Jiva. Jiva பேரில் இருக்கிற பிரம்மன்லேருந்து இந்த ஜீவாத்மாலேருந்து அந்த ஜீவாஹுட் you have to take out. Inferior attributes. From that Ishvara, what you have to take out? Maya. What pradhana Maya? Sattva pradhana Maya you have to discard. Physically you can discard? No. Intellectually you understand. To understand there is no part. You need not break the pot. Pot அப்படி வச்சுட்டே பாட் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லலாம். அதே மாதிரி யூசிங் த அவித்யா காஸ்டு பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ், you have to say, you can say, I am not this avidya caused body mind complex which is limiting adjunct, it is a conditioning factor. I am really speaking Brahman alone, this is my temporary வேஷம். அது ஈஸ்வரனுக்கு பிரம்மனுக்கு மாயா ஒரு வேஷம், இந்த சின்ன பிரம்மனுக்கு அவித்யா ஒரு வேஷம். இது சின்ன வேஷம், அது பெரிய வேஷம். அதுக்கு தான் அவருக்கு பெரும் ஆளுன்னு பேரு, நான் சின்ன ஆளுன்னு பேரு. புரியுறதோ? பிரம்மன் பிளஸ் மாயா இஸ் பெரிய வேஷம், பிரம்மன் பிளஸ் சின்ன அவித்யா இஸ் சின்ன ஆளு, ஜீவாத்மா. அவர் பரம ஆத்மா, இவர் ஜீவ ஆத்மா. அந்த ஜீவ அந்த பரம யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்ட்ரைக் ஆஃப், யூ ஹாவ் டு delete, because they are all temporary, come in time, go in time, they are not permanent, they are not satyam. What remains? Atma. Appo that Atma, this Atma, one are same, one and the same, no difference. That is Akhandam Satchidanandam. Akhandam means divisionless. Satchidanandam, existent consciousness principle, infinite. Mahavakyena lakshate. This is Mahavakya indicating. It showed by the Mahavakya. Tat Paramatma, Tvam the Jivatma, Asi, one and the same, identical. Suppose I am not able to swallow now, I have to wait and slowly swallow. Okay, some பொருள் ஏதாவது சாப்பிடும் போது கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப கட்டியாக இருக்க, சாப்பிட முடியல, I am not able to swallow. What do you do? வாயில் போட்ட உடனே ஸ்வாலோ பண்ண முடியல, என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? வாயில் வச்சுட்டு இந்த பல்லால் கடிச்சு அந்த பல்லால் கடிச்சு மாஸ்டிகேட் பண்ணி வாயிலோ ஸ்வாலோவபுல்லாக பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணுறது? ஸ்வாலோவபுல்லாக பண்ணி நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுறது இல்லையோ? அது மாதிரி தத்து ஒரு பக்கம், துவம் ஒரு பக்கம் கிடைச்சிடணும். என்ன கிடைக்கணும்னா நிறைய பாகத்தியாக லட்சணம் பண்ணி 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 படித்து 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 மாஸ்டிகேட் பண்ணி அந்த மகா வாக்கியத்தை ஸ்வாலோவபிள் பண்ணிக்கணும்னா எஸ்மிலபிள் பண்ணிக்கணும். யூ ஹாவ் டு எஸ்மிலேட். திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபேக்ட். இஃப் யூ எஸ்மிலேட் தட், யூ ஆர் த ரியல் ஹியூமன் பீயிங். மேன் டு டிவைன் மேன். அப்படி ஆகலைன்னு என்ன எப்படி ஆகும்? கீழே மேன் டு டிவைன் மேன் ஆகலைன்னு பஞ்சதசி படிக்கல, பகவத்கீதா படிக்கல, ஒன்றும் படிக்கல, என்ன டிவி பார்த்துன்னு இருக்க, ஃபுல்லாக மேக்சைன்ஸு சீரியல்ஸு படிச்சுட்டே இருக்க, உலகத்தில் சுத்தின்ண்டே இருக்க. என்னன்னா 2 காலு பசுன்னு அர்த்தம். Who says? சங்கராச்சாரியா சேஸ், சாஸ்திரா சேஸ். அதுக்கு தான் பகவானுக்கு என்ன பேர் தெரியுமோ? பசுபதி, பசுபதிநாத், பசுபதின்னு பேரு. புரியறதோ? பசுபதி என்ன? பசுபதி என்ன? த லார்ட் ஆஃப் அனிமல்ஸ். You want to be the lord of worship the lord of animals and you want to be animal and அர்த்தம். புரியறதா? Jivas are all come under animals. Those who are very very weak minded people, not strong, not thinking, they are all equal to animals. Pashu janmavat. Janmana jayate jantuhu anar. By birth everybody is a animal nature only. Eating, sleeping, drinking, allame thungaradu rest edukkuradhu enna? Janmana jayate jantuhu. ஒரு பூனை 5 குட்டி போடுறது, 5 குட்டிக்கு நல்ல பால் குடிக்கிறது, நல்லா என்ன பண்றது ஒரு பூனை? அது எவ்வளவு, யாரும் கிட்ட வரக்கூடாது. ஹவு மச் லவ் அண்ட் அஃபெக்ஷன். ஸோ ஜன்மனா ஜாயத்தே ஜந்து அன்னார். இஃப் ஐ டோன்ட் யூஸ் மை இன்டலெக்ட் ஃபார் திஸ் நாலேஜ், யூஸ் திஸ் ப்ரிவிலேஜ், ஓகே, யூஸ், ஐ ஆம் எ ஹியூமன் பீயிங், திஸ் ப்ரிவிலேஜ் ஆஃப் ஐ டோன்ட் யூஸ், வேர் ஐ ஆம் ஐ, என்ன ஆக போறேன் என்ன? தேர்ஃபோர் அகண்டம் சச்சிதானந்தம் பிரம்மா அஹமஸ்மி மகாவாக்கியேன லக்ஷதே. Just like what? Drishtanta he gave. Soyam ityadi vakyeshu. Soyam Devadattaha is a Vakyam. 47 is a very, very important portion. Deliberately I am revising. Okay, I know that 47th stroke I have introduced. But this is the more crux of this entire chapter. Mahavakya, Gatti Melam. Okay. Soyam Devadattaha is a sentence. Soyam, saha, that. I am this. That whole sentence is not there. Soyam iti vakyeshu. Anu avar paatiki avaru sollittar. Soyam anna soya beans. Now soya anu sonna udane soya bean da gnapakam varum anna. என்ன தெரியும் பாப்போம், ஏதோ பாப்போம் வீட்டில் போய் சாம்பார் ரசம் பண்ணிட்டு இப்போ தான் வந்து உட்காந்துட்டு ஏதோ சோயாபீன் போட்டுட்டு இன்னைக்கு பொரியல் பண்ணிட்டா சுவாமினி சப்ஜி பண்ணிட்டான்னு சொல்லி உட்கார்ந்து கூட போய் பஞ்சதசி கிளாஸில் வந்து உட்கார உடனே சோயம் இது வாக்கு. ஆமாம் சுவாமி இன்னைக்கு என்னோட வீட்டில் சோயாபீன்ஸ் தான். போச்சு போடா என்ன பண்ணுறது என்ன. So he is expecting that you have completed 10 Upanishads. Vidyaranya taking it as granted because we have done that vichara soyam devadattaha in different Upanishads. Okay. Saha, I told you, Brahmadatta, Vishnadatta, Yajna, Devadatta. So Devadatta in the park. Park ku polam konja neram. Last week we went to the park. Yajnadatta and Vishnadatta were walking. Suddenly Yajnadatta saw Devadatta, who was the Kumbhakonam old friend. சுவாமினி கும்பகோணம் மறக்கவே இல்லையே நீங்க. நான் மறக்க மாட்டேன். அந்த கும்பகோணத்தில் படித்த ஒரே ஸ்கூல்ல 3 of them have done their studies. இந்த விஷ்ணு தத்தை கொஞ்சம் பார்வை சரியா இல்லை, அதனால இந்த தேவதத்தனை அடையாளம் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியல. ஸோ this Yajnadatta says to Vishnu Datta, hey Vishnu Datta, you look at this person. I am Saha. This Devadatta is that Devadatta. This Devadatta is that Devadatta. You know, when we were studying in elementary school, that Devadatta, he was so nice that time, very young chap. Nella vilayaaduva, oduva, ella pannuva. Ipo வந்து he is having அந்த மூடு கால் புடிச்சின்னு நடந்து வர. That Devadatta is this Devadatta. That's what he says. Saha ayam iti vakyeshu. In this that Devadatta is this Devadatta in this sentence. Virodhat tadidantayoho. Tad idantayoho na tat cha. Idam cha means tadidamau anatham. Tayoho bhavaha tadidanta. Tayoho means tat idam manar. Tat na that. That denotes the past tense. Past tense, how many years back? How many decades back? 60. 6 decades back. 6 decades back and how many years? Very good. 60 years. 60 years back, they were all in one school. They have done their studies. That time, that place, that condition, that body, that person. That person is this time, this place. I am means present. This time, this place. Okay? Tad desha tat kala devadattaha etad desha etad kala. So that Devadatta which belong to that past time and past place, Kumbhakonam. Ipo Chennai, Nageshwara Park. Okay? So this place, Nageshwara Park, where now 2012. So 60 years back, I don't want to give calculator for you. That time, that place, this time, this place, the person, Vyakti is different, one and the same. Same. Devadatta is one. Saha, I am. What are the differences? Features are entirely different. If he was the same, he need not show. You know, avanda ivan ani sollanuma. Avanda ivan ani edukku sollanum? அடையாளம் கொஞ்சம் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியல, ஆனாலும் அவனேதா இவன், அவனேதா இவன். Suppose he is looking same, he need not say that word. It is impossible. Okay. If now all features have changed, no? Therefore, features have changed, but person is, Vyakti is one. So that features, that time and that place belong to the same person. This place, this time also same person. One Devadatta, you want to say that person is same this Devadatta, what you have to keep aside? That young age, that school days, that place you have to drop. This place, this time, these features, old features, and young features, you have to drop. Person is one. Like that, idella drishtantam. Like that, virodha tadidantayoho tyagena. What features are 6-year-old, 60-year-old? Okay. Virodha. So, tyagena, you have to give up. Bhagayoho ekaha. Which bhaga you have to take? That time, that place, this time, this place, different time, different place, different conditions, different features of the body, but person is one. That ekaha, your bhagaha, you have to give up. What are all contradictory features? You have to give up. One you have to take. Ashrayoho lakshyate yatha. What is ashraya? For that time, that place, ashrayam, locus. This time and this place, locus. Who is the locus? Devadatta is the locus. Devadatta is the locus. That is called ashrayaha. Vyaktimatra jnanam. Enna jnana? Vyaktimatra jnanam. This is called as a technical word. Vyaktimatra jnanam. The person we have to take. Vyaktimatra jnanam, which belong to the person. Attributes, different attributes of different times belong to the one and the same person. Vyaktimatra jnanam lakshate. Ashrayaha lakshate. Ashrayaha means Devadattaha only indicated. Namma Devadatta. Avanada ivan. He is indicating. Yagnadatta showing to Devadatta person. Not the age, not the time, not the different contradictory features he is not keeping in the mind. Avaneda even. What is our example? Puranic example. Kaunteya, natu Radheya. Kunti comes and tells to Karna, you are only a Kaunteya, not Radheya. That time I left you in the water. அந்த கவுந்தேயதா இந்த கவுந்தேயா. அப்போ எவ்வளவு மாசம்? 10 மாசம் 12 மாசம். என்ன பிறந்த உடனே she has dropped, no? So 10-12 மாசம். இப்போ he is 40 years, 35 years. Radheya not, you are Kaunteya. Person is same. Like that. Next shloka we'll read. Maya vidye vihayaiva. Maya vidye vihayaivam. Upadhi parajivayoh. Akhandam satchidanandam. Parabrahmaiva lakshate. This sloka bodily lifted from Adhyatmopanishad. Shloka mantra 32 Adhyatmopanishad linde taken. This sloka mantra, this sloka, the Ashtantam. Just as that example, how you have understood by dropping that contradictory features of the same person. Suppose you see your own photo, school days photo. School days கூட வேண்டாம், இன்னும் crawling time. அந்த ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுப்பான் இல்லையா, படுத்துக்கும்போது குப்புற படுத்த உடனே ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுப்பான். எல்லாருக்குமே இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம். அந்த ஃபோட்டோ காமிச்சு யூ ஆர் ஷோயிங் டு யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட், இது என்னுடைய ஃபோட்டோ தானே, அவன் நம்புவானே. And you show with so much affection, love. See how so beautiful I am, so cute. இப்படி இருக்கேன். அந்த டைமில் எல்லாருமே நல்லா தான் இருப்பேன், அந்த குழந்தைலாம் ஒரே மாதிரி இருப்பேன். அந்த ஃபோட்டோ காமிச்சு so many years back. இப்போன்னா any similarities are there? Even children from 10, 1 year, 2 years அப்புறம் when they grow up 6 years, 7 yearsக்கு இந்த ஃபியூச்சர்ஸுக்கு அந்த ஃபியூச்சர்ஸுக்கு கனெக்ஷனே இருக்காது. அப்படின்னு மதர் இஸ் நாட் டூயிங் தியாகம். இனி இல்லைப்பான்னு பண்ணுவானா அம்மா, அம்மா என்ன குட்டி குழந்தை கண்ணான்னு. அந்த ஸ்வீட்டு ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் தேர். இப்போ என்ன மூக்கு இந்த பக்கம் அந்த பக்கம் கண்ணு அப்போ நன்னதான் இருக்கேன், அப்போ ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு, இப்போ ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கேன். இதெல்லாம் சேஞ்சிங் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ். ஆல் ஆர் டிஃபரெண்ட் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ். பட் சன் டாட்டர் சேம் பர்சன்னோ, அதே குழந்தை தான். அது மாதிரி இப்போ தாஷ்டாந்தத்துக்கு வரணும். திருஷ்டாந்தம் ஓவர். வி ஆர் வெரி ஹாப்பி இன் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் வென் இட் கம்ஸ் டு அஸ். இப்போ நான் ஜீவாத்மா இண்டிவிஜுவல் miserable Jivatma here with electricity problem, water problem, mosquito problem, with so many umpteen problems. நான் போய் அவர் பரமாத்மா ஒன்னு சொன்னா எனக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? You are ridiculing me, you are டீச்சர் மேல கம்பேஷனேட் பண்ணும். பாவம் அந்த சுவாமினிக்கு தெரியல, என்ன தெரியல, என்ன தெரியல. You are Brahman, Guru says. You are Brahman அண்ணா, இந்த குரு hand showing which you RC or OC or RM? OC. RC reflected consciousness, Chidabhasa. RM Stula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, it's Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, ella thalli vekkanum. Vechinde, and the original consciousness only teacher is showing. Munja Ishikam Iva. அது புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அது புரிஞ்சுக்கும் போது என்ன மாயா அவித்யே விஹாய. விஹாய மீன்ஸ் கிவ் அப், ட்ராப். வாட் டு கிவ் அப், வாட் டு ட்ராப். ஏதோ பிரம்மனை விட்டுட்டு அந்த மாயா அவித்யை பிடிக்கக்கூடாது. அது மாதிரி பேபிக்கு எல்லாம் நல்ல குளிப்பாட்டு பண்ணி, இந்த டப்பில் இன்னும் பெரிய டப்பு வரும் பேபிக்கு, நல்லா குளிப்பாட்டு பண்ணி இந்த டெட்டால் வாட்டர், சோப்பு வாட்டர் எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு அழகாக குளிப்பாட்டு பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் பாத் கொடுத்துட்டு யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக் பேபி அண்ட் த்ரோ த வாட்டர் அண்ட் டப் ஆல்சோ யூ புஷ் அவே. பட் யூ ஷுட் நாட் த்ரோ த பேபி along with tub water. அது மாதிரி வாட் டு ட்ராப், வாட் டு டேக். ஜஹல் லக்ஷணா, அஜஹல் லக்ஷணா. What is Ajahal Lakshana? Take Brahman, Ajahat, don't give up. Jahat what? Jahat, Maya and Avidya, Jahat, Jahati, give up. Give up Maya, Avidya. Maya of whom? Ishvara. Avidya of whom? Who is Jiva? I am Jiva. Avidya, ignorance, அஜ்ஞான ஸ்வரூபம் நானா இருக்கிற. என்ன இப்போ நினைச்சுட்டு இருக்க அஜ்ஞானமே என்னோட ஸ்வரூபம். பாப்போம் நான் பிரம்மன். இந்த அவித்யா மை க்ளோரி, மை விபூதி, மை வேஷம். மாயா அவித்யே விஹாய ஏவம். In this manner, just as in example you have given up that contradictory features, similarly here also you give up that Maya and Avidya, superior attributes and inferior attributes. Maya, SPP, superior attributes and artha. Sattva pradhana prakriti. SPP enna, S enna sattva, P enna pradhana. Another P is for prakriti. SPP, short formula. சத்துவ பிரதான பிரகிருதி. சத்துவ பிரதான பிரகிருத்தின்னு எழுதிட்டு எஸ்பிபி போடுங்கோ. அதுக்கு இல்லைன்னா எஸ்பிபி மாட்டம் போட்டு இது மாயாவதி பார்ட்டியா என்ன பார்ட்டி? இன்னொரு அம்மா யாரோ இருக்கோம் மாயாவதியா, பிஎஸ்பியா எஸ்பியா ஏதோ பார்ட்டி போட்டுட்டான்னு நினச்சிக்காதவங்க. அவித்யா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆர்பிபி. ஆர்பிபின்னா ரஜ பிரதான பிரகிருதி. ஸோ ஆர்பிபி Avidya, Maya, SPP, Brahman plus SPP, Brahman plus RPP. Brahman plus SPP is equal to Ishvara. Brahman plus RPP is equal to Jiva. Okay. So belong to the consciousness. Both are originally, they are all superimposed on consciousness. The pot, form and air superimposed upon what? Clay. Pot can touch the clay. Irundane touch பண்றதுக்கு. Pot name and form can touch the clay. நம்ம snake, rope snake, அந்த இல்லாத ஒரு பாம்பு rope snake வந்து மித்யா snake can touch the rope. Similarly, this name, this form can touch the consciousness. They are superimposed on consciousness. Snake has superimposed on the rope. You are seeing the snake, but that snake can touch the rope. Why? It cannot touch. Why it cannot touch? It is not there. What is snake? Snake is nothing but rope. There is no snake, only rope. Similarly, this name and form also, Maya and Avidya. Maya is also not there. Yama sa Maya. What is not there is called Maya. Mirage water is there, you are seeing. It is there? No. It appears. Experientially it is there. Factually it is not there. What is experientially is there, what is not factually there is called mithya, Maya. Therefore, it is experientially there. Body, mind complex is experientially there. But on inquiry, factually, if you analyze, it is not there. Experientially, pot is there or not? Pot is there. Really pot is there? But experientially irukka, therefore you can say it is real. Solidly I am 80 kgs Swamini. Na illa ninga eppo solla mudiyum. Solidly pot is there in my hand. Are you able to say it is not there or not? It is there or not? It is not there. Are you able to say or not? Solidly it is there in my hand. How can you say it is not there? Therefore, solidly 80 kgs irundhalum kuda body 70 kgs, you are not there. You are not body. But what is that? Rope ani solladu. Brahman. Brahman mele in the Nama Rupa, your Nama Rupa is superimposed. புரியுறதா? Entire universe இதே தான். ஹோம்ஒர்க் உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன பண்ணணும் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, Brahman plus Maya, the Paramatma with superior attributes, Brahman plus Avidya, Jivatma with inferior attributes, called Upadhi. This Maya and Avidya Vihaya. What is that? Upadhi Vihaya. Upadhi is Ditiya Dvivachanam. Upadhi Vihaya. Upadhi Upadhi Upadhayah. Parajivayoho. Upadhi, it means limiting adjuncts. Upasamipe sthitva, that which is nearby and superimpose its attributes to that object. Like crystal, white crystal is there, and near to that you keep a red hibiscus flower. Red flower, chambarattipu. If you keep it nearby, what happens? This red color makes this crystal red. You look at the crystal white or red? Red. This color of the crystal is, redness of the crystal, is its original color or superimposed color? Superimposed color, not original color. Why this crystal has got this color? Because of proximity of the flower. This flower is called Upadhi. This crystal is called Upahitam. Upadhistha gunaha upahite adhyasyate. Upadhi means Maya is Upadhi, Avidya is Upadhi. This Upadhis, Janana, Marana, Vyadhi, all adjuncts, all limitations, all are superimposed upon the Brahman consciousness. Upadhi, Vihaya, Parajivayoho. Maya, Upadhi of Ishvara, Avidya, Upadhi of Jiva, Parajivayoho, Upadhi, Vihaya. What are they? Maya, Vidye, Vihaya. After giving up, what to do? Akhandam Satchidanandam Param Brahmaiva. Akhanda means divisionless. Akhandam. Satchidanandam. Satchit Ananda. Existent consciousness, infinite principle remain. That is Brahman. If you renounce these superior and inferior, Utkrishta and Nikrishta attributes, what will remain? Upadhi Rahita Chaitanyam will remain. Upadhi Rahita Chaitanyam will remain. Upadhi Rahita Chaitanyam will remain. That means Chaitanyam, that which is free from. You want to look that side or this side? That is what your attention to be. That Upadhi Rahita Chaitanya means a Chaitanyam without attributes of that Upadhi. That is Shravanam part. Up to here Mahavakya teaching. Once you renounce that superior attributes, inferior attributes, what remains in a attributeless Chaitanyam remains. Who is that attributeless Chaitanyam? I am. Akhandam, divisionless. I have no division at all. No parts, no attributes, nothing. Up to here, the Shravanam part is over. Shravanena Ajnana Nivrittihi. Mahavakya Shravanena Ajnana Nivrittihi. What Ajnanam? Atma Ajnanam. Aham Atma iti Jnanam na asit. I was not having this knowledge. I am Brahman. I am thinking I am ordinary housewife. I am wife of so and so. I am mother of so and so. I am thinking all the time. But that is not my real nature. That is my what nature? Vesham. Temporary Vesham. Adi uttakave mudiyale. Temporary Vesham. Clayக்கு temporary வேஷம் இது என்ன? பாட் temporary வேஷம். அந்த வேஷம்ல இருக்கும்போதும் கூட அந்த வேஷம் நிஜமா உண்மையா பொய்யா? பொய். அப்ப வேஷம்ல இருக்கும்போது எப்படி பொய்ன்னு சொல்லுவேன்? உண்மைதானே? இல்லை சுவாமினி, பாட்டே இல்லை. பாட்டுன்னு நினைக்கிறது தான் அது. அப்ப அதே மாதிரி யுவர் ரோல் வாட் யூ ஆர் பிளேயிங், that is also அது சொல்லவே மாட்டாள் பாருங்க. இது பிடிச்ச பொய்யனே நல்ல தைரியமா சொல்றேனே, அதே தைரியமா சொல்லக்கூடாதோ? எனக்கு எவ்வளவு ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த ரோல், மதர் ரோல், பிரதர் ரோல், சிஸ்டர் ரோல், வைஃப் ரோல், ஆல் ரோல்ஸ், ஈவன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ரோல், teacher role, all are just time being roles. You have to roll up them all, put in Bay of Bengal. So, Akhandam Satchidanandam, Brahma Eva, Param Brahma, Supreme Brahman I am. I can never be touched by the body. Jayate, Vardhate, Viparinamate, Apekshiyate, Vinashyate, Itra, Dosham Vichinda Vadambu. Only it cannot touch me. My shadow can touch my body? Never. Similarly, this body shadow cannot touch me, the Atma Swarupam. I am different order of reality. This body is a different order of reality. Therefore, both cannot touch each other. They cannot come across each other. How are you? Rope is asking the snake, or snake is asking the rope. Snake is, hey, rope, are you going, leaving me? No. A rope can ask the snake, or snake can ask the rope. Namakilla dissociation varama. Avan light போட்ட உடனே நான் ஸ்னேக் கூட்டு போயிடும். என்னென்னா அந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லை. வேர் இஸ் த கொஸ்டின் ஆஃப் டிசோசியேஷன்? வேதாந்த கிளாஸுக்கு வந்த உடனே சுவாமினி எனக்கு வைராக்கியம் வந்துடுமேமோ, if I get lot of Vedanta Jnanam, I cannot love my husband, I cannot love my children, I cannot take care of my possessions and all. Who said? Who said? If you get Jnanam only, you can handle them properly. If you don't have Jnanam, you cannot handle anything properly in the world. I will tell you. If you get Atma Jnanam only, you know how to handle every object in the world, every person in the world, every relation in the world. Because of all of our ignorance, Ajnanam only, the entire human problem. Vedanta for what sake? For better living. Understand, not better running away. Vedanta is meant for better living, better well-being. Well-being. Therefore, this is like a hysterectomy, tonsillectomy madri, ignorance-o-dectomy. This is ignorance-o-dectomy. Ajnana nivritti shravana dwara. Mudichachu. Chapter is over actually. Ananas, there are some Paramanandaya Sishyas. Innum puriliye ani yaradu irunda. From 54th shloka onwards, again he gives mananam, nididhyasanam. Now 54 onwards, nididhyasanam is going to come. But from 49, 50, 51, 52, this is a very, very logical portion, manana part. With this Shravanam part is over with the 48. Now Mananam, doubt elimination process. Still doubts are there, no? Edo chonna odane aham brahmasmi nu solla porama ennama? Aham brahmasmi ani. எவ்வளோ பற்று, எவ்வளோ அபிமானம், எல்லாமே அதுக்கு தான் மனனம் பாட்டு. சம்சய நிவృత్త్యర్థம் மனனம். One Purvapakshi comes here and he raises a question. And once he raises a question, then 50th sloka onwards, Vidyaranya going to give an answer. 50th sloka, tit for tat answer he gives. One sarcastical answer he gives, Vidyaranya. Then he comes 51, 52, original answer he gives for that Purvapakshi. In the Purvapakshi is very, very technical. What he want to say, the slokam padichi, I will give the gist of that Purvapakshi's idea. Savikalpasya lakshante. Sorry. Shatve savikalpasya lakshatve. लक्ष्यस्य स्यादवस्तुताम् निर्विकल्पस्य लक्ष्यत्वम् न दृष्टं न च संभवीम्. Doubt or samshaya raised by a Purvapakshi, these are all known as obstacles. Samshaya pratibandhaka. Pratibandha, obstacles in the form of samshaya. Samshayatma vinashyati ani சொன்னார் பகவான் கிருஷ்ணர். சம்சயம் இருந்த what time the train comes ன்னு 8 o'clock நினைக்கிறேன் అని சொன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Is it right knowledge or doubtful knowledge? Doubtful knowledge. Suppose you ask a person, hey, tell me what time train departure na? I think 8:15. அந்த ஆளை நம்பி நீங்க ட்ரெயினுக்கு போவேல. You want to verify from a person who is having correct knowledge about the train departure. அது மாதிரி vague knowledge can never give clarity. சம்சயம் இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் கூட அது மனசுல ஒரு மாதிரி பிரிக்கிங்னா, இந்த சம்சயம் இருந்தா my intellect cannot withstand. Intellect is very honest. Therefore, அந்த சம்சயம் itself is an obstacle. The Purvapakshi has got a samshayam. What type of Purvapakshi is? A Nyaya philosopher. Vidyaranya, consider this Nyaya philosopher, Adhyatma Upanishadla, and the answer கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் immediately he raises what that question. The gist of this shloka is, see, what you are talking here. Now the question is, you are Mahavakya revealing Brahman. That Brahman is Savikalpam or Nirvikalpam. Purvapakshi asking, Brahman we have revealed. Brahman is you are. Mahavakya says Tat Tvam Asi. You have arrived at what? Param Brahma, oneness. Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikyam. Atma, Brahman, we have arrived at. Now Purvapakshi Nyaya philosopher is asking, tell me, this Brahman which you have arrived at through Mahavakya Tattvamasi, is this Brahman, which Brahman? Attribute free Brahman, what we have arrived at. And that Mahavakyam Dwara you have understood that Brahman is Nirvikalpam or Savikalpam. Nirvikalpam anna attributeless. Savikalpam anna with attributes. Nirvikalpam means with attributes. Tall, short, these are all attributes. Color, complexion, all are called attributes. Attribute-less anna nirvikalpam. Vikalpam anna vagueness. Vikalpam anna irkalam, illamal irkalam. Doubt anamata. Vikalpam annale doubt and artham. Triputi. Subject, object, instrument. Karta, karma, karanam. Triputi, triangle. Triangle and anartha. Subject, object, instrument. Subject, object, instrument is called Triputi. This Triputi put together Vikalpam. Wherever it is called Savikalpam. Vikalpena saha vartate iti Savikalpam. If you say it is Savikalpam Brahma, also you have a problem. If you say it is Nirvikalpam Brahma, also it is a problem. Purvapakshi is so powerful. O Siddhanti, O Vidyaranya, your Mahavakya, if it has revealed Brahman, Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikyam, Brahma, in the Brahman Nirvikalpam ani chonna problem. In the Brahman when the Savikalpam ani chonnalum problem. Yedi cholla porelni. It is Nirvikalpama, Savikalpama. Here what he says second line la, if it is Nirvikalpam, Savikalpasya, first line you see, Savikalpasya lakshatve lakshasyad avastuta. Nirvikalpasya, Savikalpasya, Nirvikalpama irikira Brahmanne, Savikalpakama attributed, drop these attributes and chonnited. Appadi Savikalpakama kamichi, you have shown that Nirvikalpakam Brahma. So Nirvikalpasya, Savikalpasya lakshatve. That Ishvara is one who is having superior attributes, Sattva Pradhana Prakriti Maya Ishvaraha. You have shown that Savikalpadvara, you have shown the Brahman. And Jivan also you have shown Avidya Sahita Rasha Pradhana Prakriti, Avidya Sahita Brahma is Jivani you have shown. In the Savikalpakam Dwara you have shown the Nirvikalpakam. Upon the Nirvikalpakam Brahma an object item. It becomes an object. Whatever is an object, it is a mithya according to you, the Advaiti. Therefore your Brahma will become avastu. Avastu means it is mithya. Whatever fall within the field of Savikalpam attributes, it comes under mithya. Your Nirgunam Brahma will come under mithya. If you take that Nirgunam Brahma, Nirvikalpam Brahma is Savikalpam, if you take, he will become mithya. If you take this Brahman through Mahavakya, what you have arrived, it is Nirvikalpam. Nirvikalpam cannot be explained. Therefore, both the ways you are trapped. Now, you have to answer to me. I will give 15 days time for you. Answer for me. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate Om Shanti 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ.